I'm going to a potluck tomorrow night and I've been asked to bring a dessert. So I want something that's easy, something I can make ahead, and something that's very easy to transport. Also, I've decided on toffee temptation. How does that sound for a dessert? The first thing I need to do is take some little cream-filled sponge cakes and slice them in half horizontally, and I'm going to put the bottom half into a glass dish. Now you can use a 9 by 13 inch dish. Today I'm going to use just an oval shaped dish because I found that sometimes just something that's a little bit unusual as far as a serving bowl or the dish that you're going to be taking to a potluck can be attractive to people. So you see, I'm just kind of pushing the bottom of those little cream-filled cakes into the bottom of my baking dish, and then I'm going to sprinkle them with some chocolate-coated toffee bits. Now you can buy these in bags in the grocery store, or you could also take some chocolate-coated toffee candy bars and crush those up and just sprinkle those right over the bottom half of these little cakes. Then I've mixed up some vanilla instant pudding, the large 6-serving size, and I'm going to put that right over my little toffee bits. And you see, I'm just going to spread it around. And you probably noticed that I didn't get those little cakes just right up, and I didn't smash them together because I like a little bit of space between each one, so that when I refrigerate this overnight, it'll give the pudding a chance to soak in all around those little cakes. So there we go. I've got that nice and spread in the dish. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Cool Whip. Now, how much easier can you get than this? And I'm going to just kind of dollop my Cool Whip. This happens to be an 8-inch whip topping, or not 8-inch, but an 8-ounce bowl of whip topping. And I'll just spread it right over that pudding. And the reason I like to use a glass dish is because people can see the layers in there and it makes them real curious. But whether they're curious or not, they're going to want to taste this. I can guarantee that. Yours will be the first to go when you take this to a potluck. There's my Cool Whip. I'll sprinkle the rest of my little toffee bits right over this Cool Whip. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that just look, ooh, so tasty and rich and delicious? Here I have one that I've made in a 9 by 13 inch dish. It's been refrigerating overnight, and I just want you to see what it looks like when I take it out of the dish. You can use a spoon or a little spatula like this and see how nice it holds together. And there you have a toffee temptation to take to your next potluck that people will be raving about. You can find this recipe on our website at www.lakelandptv.org. I'm Sue Doeden, and now we're cooking.